Hi, my name is Felix Lam. I am the Sales Engineering Manager for Cisco Meraki Asia. If you're watching this video, you are probably already a Cisco Meraki customer or in the process of evaluating our equipment. In the next few minutes, I want to explain how you can use our cloud dashboard, webhooks, some automation software, and send alerts to your line application such that if there's any configuration changes, someone having a poor Wi-Fi experience, or a switch going down, all the signals will be proactively sent to the line application so that your network team can proactively react to those events. So there are three things you need in order to send Meraki alerts to line messaging application. Firstly, of course, you need some Meraki equipment such as Wi-Fi access point, switches, or cameras. Next, you need a line application with an account. And thirdly, you need some automation software such as Zapier that we're going to use today. Let's have a quick walkthrough of the architecture. On the left side of the diagram, you can see that there are some Cisco Meraki equipment such as access points. These equipment, they are managed in the cloud, in the Meraki Cloud Dashboard. Today, you can already receive alerts through email or through SMS out of the box. Now today, we want to show you how you can receive your alerts through line application. So when these alerts are received by Cisco Meraki Dashboard, we can configure webhooks. Webhooks is hosted by Zapier. When Zapier receives these events through the webhook, we can configure something called a Zap, like a workflow, such that they will trigger other action. And that action is to send the message to line application API such that we will be receiving the alerts to our line application. You are now looking at Meraki's cloud dashboard. Under network-wide alerts section, you can see what will contribute to an event or an alert. In my case, if there are any configuration changes, I will get an alert. Also, if a Wi-Fi access point goes offline for more than 5 minutes, I will get an alert as well. Oh, here. If clients fail to connect to the Wi-Fi network, I will get an alert as well. So these are my alerts. You can configure your own alerts by checking of these checkboxes. Now, if you scroll lower, you will see something very important called webhooks. Webhooks is a way for the Meraki dashboard to send the events to another system so that they can perform other actions. In my case, I'm going to send my alerts to Zapier because Zapier will have another workflow to send the alerts to my line application. This is the URL that I'm going to show you how you can configure. Now let's go to Zapier. After you log into Zapier, you can see something called Zaps. What are Zaps? Zaps is a workflow. It's an automation workflow. There's a trigger and there's an action. And I've already configured one called Meraki Line Alerts. Let's take a look. So what is my trigger? Under what situation would something be done? Well, this trigger is a webhook. So this is the URL you saw earlier in the Meraki dashboard that I need to copy and paste over at the Cisco Meraki Cloud Dashboard. Now, once this event happens, what is going to happen? That's my action. Now, my action right now is to run some Python code. And if you look at the code, it's super simple. It is only like 10 lines of code. And once I configure that, what is happening here is that I'm going to pass this webhook message to line application through line API and the token. So I will show you how you can get the line application business API. Now let's log in to look at what has been configured under my page. So under my page, I have a service that is called Network Ops. Why is that the case? Because I want my entire network team to be able to receive Meraki alerts so they can proactively act on them. Let me show you how that can be done. So when you generate token, let's say this is network ops, and you would select a team, and once you generate code, this token will be the one that you're going to copy back here at the Zapier. That is this simple. So now, whenever there's a Cisco Meraki alert, I would be able to receive an alert on my line application.